Oh.
That's his first little tongue. Hi. Oh, you are adorable.
That's cute.
Oh, you're so sleepy. Hey. Let's see the other guy. Oh, baby's puffing.
Ooh.
Oh. Already?
This guy's a tough guy.
Oh, he's
Max.
changing colors too.
Whoa. This guy's impressive. Is that the one that tried to crawl out yesterday?
Maybe. Oh, again. Oh, yawn. You're ready